Hello friends! Before I started my glow-up journey, I have to admit, I was at rock bottom. I didn't want to do anything and felt terrible. My bad energy was affecting everyone around me, and people didn't want to talk to me. One day, when I thought I couldn't get any lower, I looked at myself in the mirror. At that moment, I realized that if I improved my appearance, my confidence would come back. That's how my glow-up journey began. Sharing this with many people and transforming their lives has been incredibly motivating for me. Now, I'm going to tell you step by step what you need to do in your own glow-up journey. First, get up off that couch and remember that you are valuable. Let's get started. My step 1, skincare. My face looked terrible. I knew I had to treat it well. Summer was hot, and my skin needed to stay hydrated. I started by drinking 2 liters of water a day. Then, every morning, I used a suitable facial cleanser and moisturizer. I never went outside without sunscreen. Before bed, I cleansed my face again and applied retinol. Retinol reduces the appearance of fine lines and increases skin elasticity. I recommend starting slowly to let your skin get used to it. My step 2, hair care. Hair is very important, and I knew I had to take good care of it. 5 minutes before showering, I applied hair oil to nourish it. I didn't shampoo too often. Sometimes it's good to avoid chemicals. After the shower, I used a non-greasy hair conditioner to complete the care. My hair started to shine. My step 3, fitness and nutrition. You are what you eat. Remember that. I started by cutting down on unhealthy eating. I ate more fresh fruits and vegetables and increased my protein intake. I started going for walks. To be honest, I didn't like exercising at first. I began with small movements without pushing myself too hard, and gradually increased the time. Eventually, I got used to it, and exercising made me feel good. I turned it into a routine without rushing, and now I can't give it up. My step 4, style and fashion. My wardrobe looked terrible. It was full of poorly chosen clothes. I had bought all of them, of course. But when you change your outlook on life, you realize that your wardrobe needs to change too. Since it was summer, I bought light, comfortable, and stylish clothes and happily arranged them in my closet. I chose more pastel colors and light fabrics. I created my own style because the clothes I chose expressed who I was. Now, I am much happier, and my confidence is back because I take care of myself, and my body is rewarding me for it. The positive energy I spread around is being reciprocated. So, get up and start applying what you've learned from this video. Let's shine this summer of 2024. I'll be making a more detailed part 2 video of my experiences, so stay tuned. Take care and see you next time. Remember, each of you is unique and valuable.